Hey plant lovers and pet parents. Here's a fun fact. Many popular houseplants are actually toxic to cats and dogs. But don't worry, you don't have to choose between a green home and your furry friends. Today I'll share the 10 best pet-safe indoor plants that'll make your home look lush without putting your pets at risk. Stick around till the end. I've got a few bonus tips to help you keep both your plants and pets happy together. Alright, let's jump in. 1. Spider plant. This one's a classic. Super easy to grow, super safe for pets. It loves indirect sunlight and can handle a bit of neglect. Fun fact, cats often love batting at its curly leaves. It's like nature's built-in cat toy. 2. Areca Palm. Also known as the butterfly palm, this plant instantly gives your space a tropical vibe. It's non-toxic to pets and helps purify the air. Keep it near a bright window and water when the topsoil feels dry. 3. Boston Fern. Lush, full, and totally safe for cats and dogs. Ferns love humidity, so bathrooms or kitchens are perfect spots. Pro tip: mist the leaves a few times a week to keep them looking fresh and fluffy. 4. Parlor Palm. This plant has been around since Victorian times. It's elegant, compact, and completely pet-safe. It grows slowly and thrives in medium light. Plus, it's one of the few palms that does well even in lower light rooms. 5. Calathea. These beauties have stunning patterned leaves that move up and down throughout the day, almost like they're praying. Totally safe for pets and great for adding color indoors. Just keep the soil slightly moist and away from direct sunlight. 6. Baby rubber plant. Not to be confused with the regular rubber plant, which is toxic. This one's safe and super cute. It's compact, easy to grow, and has thick, shiny leaves that look great on desks or shelves. Bonus: there are lots of fun varieties, from plain green to variegated. 7. Ponytail Palm. Despite the name, it's actually a succulent. It stores water in its bulb-like base and has long, curly leaves that look like, you guessed it, a ponytail. Completely safe for pets, and it loves bright, indirect light. 8. African Violet. Want some color? African violets bloom beautifully year-round and are pet-safe. They thrive in bright but indirect light, great for windowsills. Just water from the bottom to keep their fuzzy leaves dry and happy. 9. Bamboo Palm. This is another easygoing palm that's safe for your furry friends. It grows tall, cleans the air, and handles indoor conditions really well. Perfect for adding some height and drama to your plant collection. 10. Friendship Plant. This adorable plant got its name because it's easy to propagate and share with friends. It's small, pet-safe, and perfect for shelves or terrariums. It loves moderate light and slightly moist soil, nothing fussy at all. Extra tips. Here are a few quick bonus tips for living in harmony with pets and plants. Keep plants out of reach. Even safe ones can cause tummy trouble if your pet eats too much. Avoid fertilizers and sprays that contain chemicals. Go organic whenever possible. Dust your leaves regularly. Clean plants breathe better and look prettier. Rotate your plants every few weeks so they grow evenly and get light from all sides. If your pet is too curious, try sprinkling citrus peels or coffee grounds around the pot. Most pets hate those smells. And remember, safe plants still deserve a little space from your pet's playful paws. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap that bell for more pet-friendly gardening ideas. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these plants do you already have at home? Or maybe your pet has a favorite one. I'd love to hear your stories.